So this showed up in my garage. It's an old Canon printer scanner thing. Oh, look, power cord in the bottom. Cool. It's got a little place here for stuff to come out. Oh, power cord and a USB cord. Okay, I can save those. Oh, especially this kind. I like that. So anyway, this was just in somebody's junk bin, and I ended up with it. So, what do you do with these things? Well, you look inside to see if there's cool stuff to salvage, or cool things you can use on your YouTube channel. So, let's see. This is kind of weird. Oh, it's a, well, that's interesting. It's a power supply, I guess. I don't know how we're supposed to take this apart, though. I don't know. I just have fun. We have to de-stretch the contract. Second? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hex head screws, but they're just little nubbins. Nubbins to make it look nice. I'm gonna call this a spudger. Yeah. Excellent. Oh, that's what I like. All right, we're in. Okay. Wow. One IC memory. That's it. Okie dokie. Wow. Well, we'll find out. Maybe that's just the interface. Here's a nice piece of ferrite, though. We can save that. That was it. So this is a self-contained power supply. This outputs 24 volts at 1 amp. Interesting choice. This is very cathartic. This is the scanner bed, so we could look in there. There's probably a gradient index lens. I haven't mentioned gradient index lenses on the channel. I actually studied those quite intensively, and actually wrote a paper. It was an internal document to Hewlett-Packard, to the scanner group. HP made a lot of scanners. They got quite famous in scanners. Some of the really good first color science they did was out of the scanner group. And a guy there wrote a good note on how color science is required to build a good flatbed scanner. And it talked all about LED color space and a bunch of other things, and it's really well done. Anyway, I digress. All right, there's a video. Let's see here, what's we got inside? I think I need a bigger screwdriver, that's what I need. I need something that will do more damage. Okay, there's a PC board up here. All right, some switches, an LED, and a whole bunch of circuitry on the back. Interesting. I remember talking to the lady at HP Labs who did the original ThinkJet printer print head. It was laser ablated holes in a little package, and the ink was squeezed out by little resistors that heated up and boiled the ink and caused the gas to push the ink through. Yeah, inkjet technology was pretty amazing. Agilent went on to use inkjet technology to print DNA sequencing. If you can believe that. They actually print. They load up the printer with the GATA, G-A-T-A, whatever the 4 different types of DNA stuff is, and they can print sequences with inkjet technology. So pretty amazing. Okay, so we're kind of down to where I want to be here. All right, so this is the thing that moves back and forth. These print heads have their own built-in print nozzles. Some printers, the print nozzles are built into this unit that goes wacka wacka. But what I'm really interested in is the read head here. So this, can you see what I'm talking about here? I think barely. Anyway, this is a little stripe. See if I can pull it out here. Yeah. So this is a strip of plastic that has black lines printed on it. And it's like a rotary encoder, only it's linear. So as it moves back and forth, it can watch itself move. With a linear one, yeah, we could take a look at a micrograph of that one. And there's a little motor thing here. A couple more motors. Spring. I don't like to say springs. Springs are always a nice thing to have in the lab. So this section down here is where the cleaning, or there's like a head cleaning. There's like a sponge in here. You just squirt things in and it just gets messier and messier and messier and messier until this thing finally just gets so clogged up it'll never ever work again. You buy a new printer. Yeah, little thing here goes back and forth. See if the motor is worth saving. This is a DC motor. Anyway, yeah, the only thing going on is this thing here. And what is that? It's a 324 op amp. Yay! Something we recognize. Nice. Some things just keep lasting. Keep giving back forever. There's probably a little communication device over there, but I don't know. Yep, not much in this thing. And not much else to do. So, there you go. Tear down of the day.